Hey guys, so I'm bringing you all-time favorite Turkish red lentil soup. Super easy to make. You're gonna need one red onion, one potato peeled and chopped, one tomato, carrots, red lentils, and garlic. It could be any kind of red lentils. You can get masoor ki dal, which is a Pakistani in Urdu, and you're gonna need paprika, crushed peppers, parsley, and olive oil. So in a pot like so. This batch will make about 3 to 4 bowls, big bowls. In a patch like so, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and also soak 1 cup of red lentil. Wash and soak red lentil in a bowl like so. I'm using actual cup measurement, not the regular coffee cup. And you're gonna see me put in onions, and I'm gonna saute and fry them until they're kind of golden and translucent. And this recipe is amazing, guys. Just really yummy, especially for winter time. You're gonna see me go in with garlic now. It could be big pieces because at the end everything is gonna be blended, so put in a good amount of garlic. I'm using 1 tablespoon of just raw peeled garlic. I just chop it up a little and just saute that a little. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna add some tomatoes. Now I used a medium-sized tomato and I just chopped it up like this. And I'm just putting the tomatoes in. It's really hard to do it with one hand. Bear with me, I will get a tripod soon. And then you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And you don't want to add more than 1 tablespoon because then it will be very tomatoey, and that's like the key in red lentil soup. So just 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to go in and add my potatoes. The reason why I cut the potatoes like this, because potatoes usually take longer to cook. The smaller they are, the easier and faster it'll cook. And I'm also going to just add all of them. I'm going to mix it really well. And I promise, guys, I will get a tripod soon. But bear with me. So I'll just mix everything up. Now I'm putting the red lentils. You can also put the carrots in now, but I don't really like to cook the carrots for too long. So you're gonna see me put in the red lentil soup, in, and just mix it very well. And make sure it was soaked, washed before you put it in. And then I'm gonna use about 6 cups of boiling hot water, and it has to be boiling hot water. You don't want the water to be cold and then take longer. Put in the boiling hot water, and we're gonna give it a nice stir. And I'm just gonna clean the sides up real quick because you want all the tomato sauce and whatever is on the side and all the lentils to cook through. And if there's one, then you don't want it to be in your mouth. And I'm just going to give it a nice even stir. And this cooks about 3 to 4 bowls, and I'll show you the bowls at the end. And if you want to make it for more people, you can just double it, triple it. Super easy recipe, super simple. These are ingredients that are found in everyone's house, so it's not something that you have to go out of your way to buy. And then I'm gonna add carrots. I already have them like sticks form, so it was easy to just put in. But you want everything chopped very finely, especially the things that are more solid, because they take longer to cook and become a soup and blend well. And then I'm just gonna let it start boiling. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna give it a final stir. And I'm just gonna I'm putting a timer on for 25 minutes, and I'm gonna top it and put it on medium to low heat. You want to keep checking up on it and mixing it, and then once that's 25 minutes are done, 25 to 30 minutes are done, then you go in with your immersion blender and you pretty much blend it. You can also put it in a regular blender and mix it. This will just make everything creamy and there won't be any chunks. at all. And I have this immersion blender from Amazon. It's like a 3-in-1. It was, I think, less than 30 bucks, and honestly it's a lifesaver and game changer for all my recipes. It just makes your life easy, super easy to clean. But you can also use a blender. All you have to do is wait till it cools off and pop it in a blender and blend it. And now I'm adding all my seasoning: parsley, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon crushed pepper, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne, and I did add a little bit of cumin powder too, so I added 1 tablespoon of that, and half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm just tasting it, making sure that I have the flavor right, which is perfect. You can add more peppers if you want. Now for the dressing, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and paprika, and you're going to warm that up, and then you're going to put it in. This is going to give it the color, and it's going to add the spice kick to it, and also it's almost like a tarka. And then just take some bread, whatever kind you have, butter and garlic it with some parsley, and just serve it with lemon on side. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Have a great day.